Where we left off, I was collecting rubber. Or sticky wrist and making the rubber. Oh, yeah, I was beating with a stick. What? Wanna fight? You wanted to... That's what I thought, you punk. Where are you making that farm? Alright. That's like the smallest farm in the world. Yeah, frickin'. Get all the bone meal we have. Oh, I have bones with me. Do you need bones? Hey, don't give me that toot. Wanna fight? We need to get in the house and sleep. Wanna fight? I'll kill you while you're sleeping, boy. Lol. Holy frickin' dust. Here, take the damn bones. You bastard. I'm not Freddy Krueger. You bastard. Alright, everybody touch them. Alright, grab them and drink them. Alright, everybody slurp them and, you know. Take a damn hoe, fool. Hey! Beat you with a hoe. Oh, you wanna fight? That's right, you bastard. Get the hell out of my house. You're fired. Fired. You're fired. Yeah. I was kidding. You're not fired. Wait, what? You're quitting? I was kidding. Fine. I don't need you. Go make your own damn company. Scram, you bastard. Get. This is my property. You can go somewhere else. Because that is my spot, for my factory, that is my house, and that is my quarry. No, scram, get at it, hey, get out of here. Get, yeah, I'm getting the stick. Get, cheeky. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, now get out of my house. Get out of my house before I kill you. No, leave me. Leave my presence. I don't need you. I don't need you. No, I don't. I don't need you. Or your frickin' food. This is my frickin' factory and stuff. You bastard. I don't like you. Try to kill me and take my stuff and shut up. I don't like you. Get out of my freaking face. I don't want you or your shit near me. Get out of here. Sir? Call me sir. I'm not your boss anymore. I don't like you. Stay away. Go to that island. I don't want to be able to see you. Go to that one. No. I will boat over there and I'll kill you. Go to that island. I don't want to see you. Get out of here. Douche. I guess every company does lose a member. Huh. I didn't think I would lose you, man. But you know what? Screw you. I hate you. Freaking bastard. You did everything wrong. You just don't know how to make a farm. And you hit me with a hoe. You don't hear boss. The boss hits you. No. No. I did not start anything. You hit me with a hoe. Yeah, because I'm the boss. So I was ordering you to do something. Like, come on. Even Simon hits people with his frickin' stick. Like, that's how he gets them to do his work. You know? Oh, shut up. No, shut up. I don't want you here. Hey, Dad! Get... Yeah, now stay out of here. You should live with this damn squid, you disgusting pig. Good, I hope you hate squids. I want you to live with them. Frickin' swim with them and be friends. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, frickin'... I don't even remember what I was making now. See what she did? It's all your fault. You're the worst frickin' Alliance employee. Screw you. No, you suck a fat one, you bastard. Ha ha ha. Very funny, you ass. That's right. Yeah, you better stay off my property too, I'll kill you. And then I'll blow up all your stuff. I'll come at you, alright? You wanna fight? No, I don't. That's what I thought. I'm gonna make a nano saber and get ready to kill you. Now I'm gonna make one soon. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Wanna fight? Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. No. We're gonna have a war. Yeah. Yeah, you heard me. We're gonna have a war. We're gonna have a war. I don't care. We're gonna have a war. You're gonna build your factory, and we're gonna be enemies from here on out. I don't care. You're my enemy. You douche. How could you hit me with a hoe? I'm supposed to be aggressive. You weren't doing your work. You did not. Here, you can come. You can get this bed. I don't want this frickin'... Where are you, you frickin' cheeky? I don't see you. Good. You're out of my sight. Now I'm gonna drop it off at an island. And you're gonna